Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Today I'll be sharing a very useful kitchen tip as to how to make breadcrumbs at home. Though we get breadcrumbs from the market, but those are quite expensive. After watching this video, you will be amazed to know that it's so simple to prepare these fresh breadcrumbs at home. So let's get started. To prepare breadcrumbs, one can use either brown bread slices or white bread slices. We'll be making breadcrumbs using both types. Firstly, we'll be using white bread slices. We need to toast the bread slices first, so you can either remove these brown sides or you can just let it be. To toast the bread slices, I'm using my pop-up toaster because it gives really crispy bread. However, if you do not have a toaster, then you can even toast the bread slices on a tawa or a skillet. I'll be showing you that method as well. We do not want very brown and crispy bread, so I'll just move the knob to level 4. And you can see my bread slices have toasted well. Likewise, we'll toast other bread slices. Simultaneously, I will also show you how to toast brown bread slices on a tawa. So for this, I have heated a tawa on low to medium flame and we'll place bread slices in it. Keep the flame on low to medium side and we need to toast our bread slices till these becomes crisp. You do not have to apply any oil or butter on it, just simply toast it like this. After a few minutes you will see that the bread slices will become crisp. So flip it over. So we'll make it crisp from other side as well. After toasting, we need to cut small cubes. So I'm using this mixer grinder jar. Now we need to grind it to form breadcrumbs. One thing you should remember is that cool down the toasted bread pieces so that there is no moisture in the breadcrumbs. You can grind it to a very fine powder or you can grind it coarsely. So I will grind it little more. And here are freshly prepared breadcrumbs using white bread slices. In a similar manner, we'll prepare breadcrumbs using brown bread. And let's grind it. Our healthy breadcrumbs using brown bread is also ready. Isn't it really very simple to prepare fresh breadcrumbs at home? You can use white bread or brown bread to prepare your own breadcrumbs. Now use these to prepare your favorite nuggets, rolls, cutlets or any other recipe which requires breadcrumbs. You can store these breadcrumbs in an airtight container and keep it in refrigerator. So do try making breadcrumbs at home and let me know how does it turn out for you. For more such interesting kitchen tips and tricks, do check out the links which I have shared in the description box below. If you liked today's video, please do give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai for more such interesting videos. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.